Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save form data to the database in Bubble. So I have this sample sign up form right here, and what we're going to do, we're going to save the full name, email, password for each user that signs up to our database right here. So if I click on app data, I do not have any data right now, but we'll go back here. And first, what I want you to do is go ahead and click on the button element that you have. If you don't have one added, you can come here, get one from Visual Elements. So we have a button right here, but just go ahead and click on your button and then click on Add Workflow. And it'll redirect you to this page. Now, when that button sign up is clicked, what we want it to happen is this. We'll click on the plus icon, we'll hover over account, and they have many different options. So in my case, I'll hover over account, choose sign the user up. And then for email and password, I'll just click here and get the element. So let's go to scroll down. Let's get the input element. So we have our email right here, input johnsmith@gmail.com. That is what it looked like there. So that is what we'll get our email. And what we want is the value. So choose a value and do the same thing for password. So hover over here, scroll down under elements, input. This one is what we saved for the password. We'll choose this and it states the value. Now we have that, but we still needed full name. So we'll click here, change another field, and we'll choose a name. That is what I saved it as. You can create your fields here as well. Just name it whatever you want and choose the data type as well. So I'll go ahead and pick name, and what I'll do, I'll go ahead and get it from the respective element. So it'll be here, input John Smith, and the value. That is what we want. And now we're basically done. So we can go back to our database. Let's go to design view and let's go ahead and preview and test this out. Okay, so I'll click here, top right on this, click on preview, and we are going to test it out and see if it actually works. So name, just use John Smith. Email, do the same thing, johnsmith@gmail.com. Password, I'll just do John123, and we'll repeat that. Of course, if you want, you can go ahead and do the confirmation from the workflow settings. I'll click here on sign up, and basically we are done. If you try to sign up again, you can see the email is already in use because it registered it. So if we come here and we refresh, there we go. We didn't even need to refresh, and it has been added at just a few seconds ago. And that is how to save form data to the database in Bubble.